Hello my friends, this video is for parents. So I want to ask a question from all parents like me, maybe over 40 or 50. Didn't you enjoy your life when you was in your teen or 20s or 30? Don't you do all those things? Now you are controlling your kids. Didn't you go out at night? Didn't you enjoy your life? Didn't you smoke or drink? Didn't you enjoy every part of life? Don't you have girlfriends? Don't you used to go out for like days and week and then it may be hidden or visible? It was there. You keep enjoying your life, and now when you are over 40, you want to control your kids and you don't want that they should enjoy their life. It is a normal psychology of every human being. If he is a normal, he will do all these things. Everyone does these things in their 18 and like 20s, 30s. Everyone, if he is a normal. So be cool, be calm. Do not press the cooker as much so it will be blast. Your kids are just like a pressure cooker. You keep pressing them, they will blast one day. So be friend with them, share with them, and ask them that they can share everything with you so you can help them. You keep pressing them, telling them don't do this, don't do this. You just think that when you were in that age, what you was doing? Was you always in the mosque or churches, or you were so pious, you did not drink, you did not go out, you had not girlfriend, you were very perfect? No. They will do these things. If they hide it, they will have a guilty feeling in their mind. It will harm them. So do not let them hide things. Share with them everything. Tell them. Then you can drop them, you can pick them. Ask them that what is going on in your life. Yes, you have to be very cautious. They should not use drugs. They should not do something very like wrong or something like crime. Yes, but like normal thing, they want to go out, they want to have party, they want to smoke, they want to drink sometime and this and that, and you are mad on them. No, be at home, don't go outside. No, let's go to church, let's go to mass. No, you don't have to do. Come on, have a heart. Please don't destroy them. Construct them. This is your responsibility. Make them friends. This is not like 50-year or 100-year old school that everything is inside. Media is so strong. Everyone has on his palm everything. They can do anything. Alright? So before they are blast, just make them friend. Thank you.